What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we're going to be restoring my copy of Super Mario Land 2. I gotta be honest, I didn't think it'd be that big of a project, so this started off as a short. While I, explain things, I'm gonna have the original videos playing here. It's pretty disgusting, right? It reeked of smoke. I've had it for almost a year, and I just wanted to fix it since, I can de-yellow things now, right? I started by taking the sticker off. I used my heat gun and just peeled it up as carefully as I could and set the sticker off to the side. Then after opening it, I saw this and knew this was going to be a full video. It was so sticky, I had a hard time just opening it, so let's soak these in some hot soapy water. I forgot to hit record for the first scrub, but as soon as I sprayed it with IPA, it all wiped away with ease. I'm sorry I missed the original shot, but there's still more to clean. I tried to get rid of some of the weird brown spots with CLR, but it didn't do much. While we're here, let's solder in a new battery. I'm just gonna reflow all the old solder too. Why not? Always make sure the positive and negative tabs are in the right spot. And now I can save my game until my future children are my age. The plastic's been soaking for a while, so let's go check on that. Always clean up your messes. It's not your mom's job. These still look like someone used them as a toilet after a night of Taco Bell, so let's go bleach them. This is 12% hydrogen peroxide, so we gotta be careful. With the UV lights, this should be restored in just a few hours. There's still a few skid marks left that I lightened a little bit more with the magic eraser, but it's on the inside, so it'll be our little secret. Alright, let's put this back together already. And it works like a charm. Are you kidding me? So yeah, I'm pretty disappointed in myself that I didn't hit the record button when I was cleaning off all of the gunk. So if you want to go ahead and say that I faked it in the comments, go ahead, but it's the same one. I say that because people have said I faked things before. I don't fake anything. What would be the point of me faking it? But mini rants aside, everything works beautifully, and I can now play a clean copy of Super Mario Land 2. And if you guys enjoyed, listen to Brittany. If you're new here, please subscribe. Only 4% of my viewers are actually subscribed. If you watched my video with Austin last week and you're waiting for the mystery tech thing, that's next week. Might be a little earlier in the week than normal, but it's coming, I promise. If it's already out, I'll link it up here or down below. If you want to follow me everywhere else, go ahead and do that. The giveaway will still happen next week, so again, stay subscribed for that. If you want a cool shirt or an awesome modded Game Boy, check out my website, retroremaster.com. And I think that's all for now, so I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Oh, man.